Hello guys, my Julio back again with another new video, and today I am gonna featuring a tool that is like kind of different. Okay, so to be specific, it will help you to find content ideas in a different way. It will help you to find the most asked question in your domain. Okay, like in your domain of expertise. Okay, so this is only for that reason. This tool is only for that reason. Like obviously they have a broader use of it. So let's get started with it, and let's see what actually we have in this tool and how it works and how you will be helpful with it. Okay, so let's get started. So today we have this specific page from this website that is called q.ay, and we have find the most asked question. Okay, like this is a top like page. Yes, you can see in the URL as well. This is the page of it. Okay, so as you can see, this is simply easy to like see whatever like we are searching. This just have a search bar, and you can ask any of the question in your domain expertise. Okay, like how any of the not question, but you can give it any other topic, and it will let you find the most asked question in your domain expertise. Suppose I wanna ask a question in landing page. Here I have already searched landing page, and I will simply click on search. So it will take some time, moment of time, not too much. Okay, so here we have our questions, and they have given them a QOR score. That obviously that's supposed to mean that how much the question is like validated, or like how popular it is. And they have explained what is QOR score over here. Like as you can see, 5 is highly relevant and 1 is less relevant. And here you can see some of the questions that have appeared. Like obviously there are mixed questions in terms of highly uh, uh, highly relevant and low relevant. Like we have up to three, like yeah, up to three, not like obviously we have no, we haven't 5 star, we have 4.5 star, and lowest is 3 stars. And as we can see, those are the questions that we are having over here. Some of the questions are longer, so as you can see, in the longer questions they have like given this tooltip functionality that is really great. You can write answer of it here. I don't know why you will write answer of it here actually. Now here from now on you can like take one of that question. Obviously those topics are will be creeping in trend, huh? Where you can take one of them and create a video about it, or content about it, or write a blog about it, whatever you want to do about it. Okay, but this is how like you can get started with about content ideas. Like you can have lot of content ideas from here, because obviously the question like most of the videos or like contents that we are making are about solving something, like right, solving a particular problem or anything like that. Okay, whatever, like in tech blogs also. So like, suppose I want to search anything else. Suppose not landing page, let me search something else, like which expert, let's suppose UI UX. Okay, let's see what is the topics that are most searched in UI UX. Okay, it will take obviously a little time, and it will give me everything regarding UI UX as well. Okay, yeah, it started. And here are the UI UX questions. What's the best platform to UI UX designer? I am hiring freelancers. Like you will get all sort of questions regarding the topic, obviously. So keep that in mind. Okay, what skill do you need to like? And simply you can start making video or a blog out of it. Because yeah, how to learn UI UX, you can write a full blown blog on it, or like make a video on it. So I'm gonna use it as a content idea generator, to be honest. Not right now, not right now. Right now, I am in the moment of like completing this 365 challenge. So obviously, after completing it, I will use it as a content idea generator. Because this makes sense. This makes a lot of sense. To grab the questions that are most searched or most asked and making content around it. So it will be great. It will be great. So yeah, that's about it about this website, about this particular page, to be honest. Okay. And if you go to their wait, let me duplicate it. If you go to their main site, that is kind of a similar but a little bit different. So let it load. I don't know why it takes too much time to load. This can like reduce their like obviously bounce like increase their bounce rate and reduce their visitors. Okay, so here the text is like become an authority in your field. So basically you can give your expertise over here and you can get questions of similar kind, like obviously similar kind of question that they are giving here as well. Okay, suppose that I am like expert in tailwind. Okay, let's search it. Here you can see all of the most asked question now around tailwind, right? Here is one. In Google you will get, okay, you can't select other platform in here. Obviously that will have pricing. So let's just say the pricing of those plans as well. So that is also important. But yeah, you basically get the idea how this whole thing works, right? So basic is $10 per month, 50 question statistics, 20 to 25 SEO analyzation, 50 saved question, and one Quora answer, and $30 per month for unlimited questions. So this is the like most highest pack to get unlimited questions. But whatever, pricing and all, like if you want to upgrade to pro or not, this is totally up to you. But yeah, I found it useful as a content idea generator. I will use it as that as well. So yeah, that's about it about this website. Let me know where you're gonna use it, how you gonna use it, if you're gonna use it or not at all. Okay, let me know about all of the things in the comment section below as well. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, like all of my videos if you can, obviously. And if you know about some other great platforms like this, like unique platform like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video and share it with you. So that's it. Bye for now.